Sunil walked 15 meters towards the south. Then you don't bother about it. Sunil just as imagine as you. Then you as this is our starting point, and you walk towards the south. South, which is arrow? It is downward direction. It is nothing but he is moving to the 15 meter. Okay. Then after the 15 meter, you take the left turn. Already I told you guys, when the person moving to the south, that is your left becomes to the right and your right becomes to the left. Then the person moves to the left and walked 20 meter, and again he take a left turn. From this point, what is the left, guys? Say this is the left, walked for same, that is 15 meter. Okay, this is same. Then this is the ending point and this is the starting point. Then the question is asking how far, which direction from his starting point. How far? It is nothing but 20 meter. Which direction he from the starting point? Which direction? The person is here, then which direction is this arrow? That is 20 meter to the east. Is it clear? 20 meter towards the east. Which direction? They are asking, guys, how far? It is nothing but 20 meters. Then which direction he? It is nothing but Santosh. From the starting point. It is the starting point. Which direction? It is nothing but east. Already I told you, when the arrows moves to the right turn, it is nothing but east. Is it clear? That's it, guys. The answer for this question is 20 meters towards the east. Okay. So next, Kunal walked towards the east. Guys, who's Kunal? Already I told you, Kunal as you. Then is the starting point. 10 meter, it is nothing but this direction. 10 meter towards the east. And take a right turn and turn right and walked 15 meter. Here he stopped it and stop again. He take a right turn. Okay, he take right turn and walked 15 meter. Okay, then he take a left turn. What is the south direction? What is our left? It is nothing but reversed it. Our left becomes to the right and our right becomes to the left. He turned left, walks only 3 meter. Okay, he finally takes left turn, and from this point again he takes a left turn. How much he has to move for? 6 meter. That is how much he has moved for? 6 meter. Which direction he is facing now? Guys, when the arrows moves to the topward direction, which direction? That is north. Which direction is he facing now, guys? He is moving from the north. It is nothing but the Kunal as you too moves towards to the east. Then you take the right turn and walk 15 meter and then take a left turn, moves 3 meter, and finally this point takes a left turn and moves 6 meter. The question is asking which direction the Kunal is facing. The Kunal, it is nothing but as you are the facing to the north. Is it clear? Okay. We'll move for the next problem. Next, look at the question. Punit started walking towards the south. Who's the Punit? Again I told you, Punit as you, guys. Here this is the Punit starting point. He moves towards the south. South, it is nothing but downward direction. Moves to the, he took right turn after walking 10 meter. It is nothing but he moves 10 meter towards the south. After that, read the statement very carefully, guys. Punit started walking towards the south. It is nothing but Punit, the starting point. He took right turn. It is nothing but moves to the south direction. After moving to the south direction, he is facing the right turn and walking. After walking 10 meter, it is nothing but Puneet is walking to the south and he moves 10 meter. After the 10 meters, he takes the right turn. Right turn, it is nothing but from this side after 10 meter, and again he took a left turn walking 20 meter. It is nothing but after he taking the left turn, he moves 20 meter. After the 20 meters, okay, he took the left turn. Who's guys? Okay, look at here. He again took left turn after walking the 20 meters. Then which direction is he facing now? Simple guys. Puneet, it is the starting point towards to the south and turn after walking 10 meter. It is nothing but he completes walks 10 meter. After the completion of 10 meter, he moves for the left turn. After taking the left turn, he walks 20 meter, and after the 20 meters, just he stopped it. Then which direction he is facing? So guys, the arrow should be like this. Which direction? It is nothing but west. It is nothing but west. Is it clear guys how to solve the problem? How to solve? Only a one funda, the instruction is belongs to you. Just imagine the instruction is given to you. Then it is the entire problem will solve easily. Is it clear? Look at here guys, this is the second variety of the problem in the direction. It is nothing but town D is to the west of town M, town R is to the south of town D, town K is to the east of town R, town K is towards the which direction of town D. Guys, when we have this type of problem will be as per the commercial banks PO or clerical related problem. What we have solved earlier, that could be as per the RRBs and some other exam. But in this type of, right now they are asking for the commercial bank clerical and commercial bank POs. Is it clear? So simple guys, it is when we are in a early stage, it is nothing but starting learning stage, you have to follow the my best trick how to solve this problem. It is a simple guys. When we have this type of problem, you have to start with the individual statement and draw the individual directions. I will repeat it once again. You have to go with the individual direction movement and the individual that directions. Is it clear? So what is the guys first statement? That is, it is the nothing but town D is the west of town M. So always you have to taken from the last side. That is very easy method to solve. What is that? You have to taken the last person. Suppose the person M is here. Town D is the west of town M. Suppose the M is here and it is nothing but M west. It is nothing but M west. The who's there? That is town D. Is it clear? Understanding? You have to take on the last. If the town M is the point, M point to the west, the town D is there. Is it clear? Then town R is the south of town D. Suppose I'll write here, this is the first and I'll write here second one. Okay. Town R is the south of town D. Suppose you just imagine this is D. Okay. D is here. What is the D south? The arrow should be comes to the downward and the town R is there. Is it clear? Simple thing we have to be understand it. That's it guys. Simple thing we have to understand it. It is nothing but town R is to the south of town D. It is nothing but this is the point of town D. Town D's south. It is nothing but the R is to be there. It is nothing but town R is to be there. Then write for the third one. Town K is to the east of town R. How we are going to write? I'll write R. Then R to the east. It is nothing but R's east. Who is there? That is town K. Is it clear? Then fourth one. Simple. They are asking only fourth one. So guys, when we have the individual direction in this problem, first draw the individual diagram, right? Like this, it is nothing but town D is to the west town of town M, then second one town R is to the south of town D, and town K is to the east of town R. Simple. You have to draw it first individually. After that, you can make it as one combined direction. One combined direction. It is nothing but first I'll write here. Yeah. Just combine this, guys. M's west, the D is there, and D's south, who's there? That is R is there, and R's east is K is there. Is it clear? What is the question? The town K is towards the which direction of the town D? Locate the point of town D. They are asking town D to town K. They are which direction? When we have this type of direction, this is in intercardinal direction. This is called as a intercardinal direction. It is nothing but intercardinal. When we have this type of direction, it is nothing but southeast. Southeast. Suppose they are asking in this problem, they are asking which direction K is towards the which direction of town D. Town D to, that is K, that is southeast. Suppose they are asking R to M. What is, guys, when we have in a cardinal? Guys, look at here, just they are asking the town M is towards the which direction of town R. Town M, which direction towards the town R? It is nothing but which direction? In a cardinal direction, it is nothing but northeast. Understanding? In this problem, we are applying the intercardinal direction. There we are applying the intercardinal direction. Is it clear? What is the answer for this question? Town K is towards the which direction of town D? It is nothing but southeast to the direction of the town D. Is it clear? That's it. So move for the next one. Point L, again the same problem, but it's slight difference in this problem. What we do, guys, in this type of problem, first we are going with the individual directions related direct. After that, what we are doing, we will make as a combined directional picture. First individual directional picture, after that we are going to make it as combined directional picture. What is, guys? First one, point L is 15 to the east point of K. Suppose the point K is there, K is east point, it is nothing but 15 meter, what is L is there. After that, this is the first, is it over? And they have to move for the second. Point M is 7 to the meter to the north point of L. Suppose I'll write here L north point. They are asking, locate here the of L north point. Who's there? Point M. What is the distance? 7 meter. Is it clear? Second one is finished. And do the third one. Point N is 6 meter to the west point of M. Suppose I'll write here M. M's west. What is the west? From left. That is point N. That is 6 meter. Is it clear? Then point O is 13 meter. Fourth one, I'll draw it. Point O is 13 meter to the south point of N. Suppose you just imagine this is the N point and N point to the south. This, is it clear? Then 13 meter. Who's there? That is O. Is it clear? Point K, again I will draw it for fifth one. Point K is, again I write here, south point of P. Again this is the point of P. Point P is south, it is nothing but downward direction. It is nothing but 7 meter. Who's the person is K. Is it clear, guys, how to draw the individual? First, in this type of problem, when you guys are in a earlier stage, it is nothing but you don't know how to draw the combined and a direct form. That is the reason I am telling you guys, you just first draw this type of individual. When you have the clear ideas, then you have to move for the combined directly. You don't draw it as individual. Okay, is it clear? Then move for combined. Again, we have to combine it. I'll combine here. So after we made it, okay, the individual, what we will do guys next? We have to go with the combined. Just look at here. I am going to start with the L. L west, the person is K, that is 15 meter. Is it clear? Then after that L, that is 7 meter, that is 7 meter, that M is there. If M to N, look at here, M to N, that is 6 meter. Is it clear? Then N to O, already from this to this we know this, that is, what is that? 7 meter. But N to O we have 13 and remaining just as 6 meter, that is O. Then point K is 7 meter to the south point of P. See guys, P is there, 7 meter. Again guys, I'll write the P in this place to this, that is 7 meter. Is it clear guys? Is it clear? That's it. When we are going to make it as individual, we get this. Once again, L to K we have 15 meter. After that I am going to club it. The L to M we have 7 meter. Then M to N we have 6 meter. Then N to O 13 meter. It is nothing but from this to this we have 7 meter. What is remaining? 6 meter, that is O. Then P is to the K's north point. It is nothing but P south point, 7 meter. The person is K. For your understanding, just I'll draw this one more. It is nothing but same diagram for your helpful. It is nothing but we can easily solve the problem. Look at the guys. See here the question, if a person walks 6 meter towards the east point of O. This is the point of O guys. So this point the person is starting. It is nothing but you are starting. Then what the next? He moves to the 6 meter. Look at here guys. From this to this, we have 6 meter, because look at in this side it is parallel to the each other. It is nothing but same. It is here 6 meter also. It is nothing but from this to this also 6 meter. Then this to, suppose I am moving for this, here also 6 meter. Is it clear? Because from this to this we have 6 meter. It is nothing but from this to also this we have 6 meter. The question is the person. It is nothing but you guys are moving from this point towards the east. It is nothing but your right and moves the 6 meter. Then after that you take the left. It is nothing but to the north direction. Left, it is nothing but from east to the east point to the your left. It is nothing but moves the north direction. It is nothing but the question is asking which of the following points would he reach first. Suppose the person start from the O, he takes left turn and moves it to the continuously from this. So what is the first point? That is L. It is the starting point. He reached the first. After the L, he meets the M. M where he meets, if he go continues. Suppose he moves to the take left turn, it is nothing but K, the person is meet the first. I'll repeat it once again. X person, it is nothing but you are moving from, or you are starting from the point of O and moves toward the 6 meter to the east. After completes the 6 meter, you take the left. In east, what is the left? It is nothing but north direction you are moving, and then you are moving to the north direction. What is the first point you are meeting, guys? That is L. The question is asking which of the following points would he reach the first. It is nothing but if he moves directly, he reach the first point as L. That's it, guys. Is it clear? Understanding? We'll move for the next one.